There's a memorial in her honor where she died. But I've never had the guts to go see it. Let alone tell my parents what I did. I destroyed my entire family.
As I say, if John were not known to us. But he is, and I believe him incapable of malicious intent, let alone murder.
I agree.
Good.
Let's hope the evidence confirms it.
Constable Crabtree! You'll be pleased to know you can have your desk back. I've concluded my research.
Oh.
About your book.
What? The one you read without my permission?
Yes, allow me to apologize again. I didn't mean any offense. I glanced at it and then couldn't stop reading.
Oh, really? So you quite liked it?
Oh, I just tore through it. The first 3 chapters were moving, honest, gripping, but then it rather falls apart when the little men from Venus arrive. I mean, really, they just chase the main character around and it becomes silly.
Silly. Well, thank you, Miss Newsom, considering I never asked you to read, let alone critique my work.
I was only trying to help.
Yes, well, maybe next time you can keep your help to yourself.